In recent times, Barrister Monguno has continued to touch lives of his constituents not only in the provision of infrastructures and basic social amenities, but through his mega empowerment program of providing means of livelihood to the people. While presenting cash assistance of 50,000 naira to each of the 400 beneficiaries, the federal lawmaker announced the installation of powered solar street lights to all nooks and crannies of the three local governments of Monguno, Marte and Ganze, a project targeted at providing adequate security to the area.
Sustain the series of empowerment programs and provision of infrastructural facilities to all the nooks and crannies of our communities that have been devastated by Boko Haram insurgency. As from next week, the installation of solar street lights across the nooks and crannies of our constituency will commence, and inshallah, all places that have hitherto not enjoyed solar street lights will now enjoy the brightness of solar street lights with all its attendant and concomitant effect of reducing the state of insecurity in our respective communities.
Barrister Monguno reassured his intention of not relenting in providing means of livelihood to his people, decrying that the insurgency has rendered many homeless and jobless, hence the intervention. Barrister Monguno's mega empowerment drive to women caught the attention of the Borno State Commissioner of Women Affairs, where she also graced the occasion to see things for herself and commend the lawmakers' effort, which she said is complementing Governor Zulum's effort in all ramifications.
He's a mobilizer, he's a man of the people. And that is what he is and that is what His Excellency the Governor for us. We have very good leaders and we are looking forward to a very successful election.
He charged the beneficiaries to use their votes wisely by voting people who are ready to work for the interests of all. State APC Deputy Party Chairman Alhaji Kallamaina Monguno said the impact of the federal lawmakers' initiative is unprecedented, considering the numbers of completed and ongoing projects within his constituency. Member representing Marte at the State Assembly, Engineer Muhammad Gombomi Marte, and that of Nganze, Sheikh Muhammad Ali Gajiram, expressed delight that the intervention project have touched the lives of constituents and brought the impact of government to the doorstep of the people. The chairman Monguno local government Kyari Ibrahim Fugu and Northern Borno Zonal Chairman Mustafa Gadobi and APC Party Chairman of Marte Abbatar Weldama said the intervention program clearly indicates that Barrister Monguno knows the needs of his people and is working assiduously to meet their expectations.
Ay ana la do bele mazuru ana krewa sela to monuya de ro ama to sonda ye karo ye grano apu se ye tima ara isya dwe wo so pa so onye wo ku siasa isra na ti do siasa kare de la grano se ye kuria ko liya ro jamaso awade hu mai mari mante na karo jamaso aro hada grayo de yara borre marte Monguno ngaiza yara borre yara asro kunyama bawo awde sammaso andira sirna annagardo illare godi ya jira di noya mana la ngaiso ba awri ala borne dan emti Monguno sinari gana kura kama konga sammaso andeno era.
Some of the beneficiaries described Barrister Monguno's intervention as life-saving, assuring to use the money to start up a business that will earn them means of livelihood.
Zora gaskiya ka jin zufan ngana ndaro workshop ishe kawo indiro dena andaro futu shawulso kamfala so futu diendo andaro sakaruna zora ka jin zufan yana tedazu.
Meanwhile, the APC Vanguard presented a chip with 1,000 posters, and also Borno State APC's campaign team also presented an award of excellence to the lawmaker.
Wannan karamawa da kuka yi mun zai sake bani kizari